Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Kevin. I have something a little special this week. Our grandson Bentley here, and he is holding something. It's called an MRE, Meals Ready to Eat. This is something that we eat when we're out in the fields, or actually our deployed members when they go out on different excursions and stuff. This is what they eat. So I went and got Bentley one, and we're going to try it. So go ahead Bentley, you can open it up. We'll show everybody what's in it. Oh, it's not quite. Okay. Pull that out. Put this over here. Okay. Yep. So you gotta open that up. Alright, I'm going to start with this package first.
What?
No, that's okay. Yeah. Alright. You hang on to this.
Yeah.
No, just leave that in there. That's fine. Or take it out.
I smell salt.
That's okay. Okay. So you just want me to hang on these because I want to show people, okay, as we go. Okay. So this package here, this is the main meal. We are eating beef ravioli and meat sauce. This is one of the favorite ones that come in the meal. And right now, we're going to put it in some hot water because we got to let that boil. Came with some hot sauce. So, okay, so this is carbohydrate electrolyte beverage powder, lemon lime. So kind of like your Gatorade, you just add water.
What is this?
Choo-choo.
Milk chocolate.
Oh, that's the heat pad.
This is the heat pad.
I got milk chocolate too. You get milk chocolate and crackers and
So
grape jelly.
this is normally what you would heat. That you would heat the meal in.
If you didn't have a pot of
If
water.
you didn't have a pot of water.
You get grape jelly.
Yeah. So grape jelly. Let's.
Applesauce.
Okay. Applesauce.
Chocolate pudding dessert powder.
Yep. So, yep, chocolate pudding dessert powder.
And then here, and the steps.
So all you do for this one is you allow water just chemically purified to stand 30 minutes before adding dessert powder.
Okay.
Okay. Milk chocolate cocoa beverage.
And crackers.
Crackers.
And crackers. All right. So once it's all done, we'll bring you back and the boys will try it.
Try.
All right.
Okay.
Okay.
Welcome back. Well, right now, while the meal's cooking, we are going to be trying some of the drinks. So we need hot water, just chemically purified, to stand 30 minutes before adding to beverage powder. Tier pouch at notch. Add 12 oz water.
Ounces
Water. 1.5 canteen cup to pouch. Fold over top of pouch. Firmly holding top of pouch. Shake 30 seconds.
Okay. So guess what? Because we're in a kitchen and not out in the bush, you get to turn the faucet on instead of purifying water.
I don't know.
What does purifying water mean?
Because if you're out in the bush and you have to use dirty water, then they have these purifying tablets, and it cleans your water for you.
Okay. Let's put the powder in here first.
Prescribed to me, rabbit
Okay.
crab.
Dudley, can we open up the package? Where's the scissors? Oh, you got it? Well, we don't. Okay.
There we go.
You just gotta be careful pouring it in. Okay.
Smells delicious.
You want me to show you a trick? Can I show you a trick?
Sure.
Okay.
I think, yeah. Look.
Okay. So instead of doing that, take the package.
hold it like that.
You just hold it like that, make a little, yeah. Now you pour it in. It's a lot easier.
It smells delicious.
Okay, that's it.
It's gonna taste similar to like lemon lime Gatorade or Powerade. That's what it's gonna taste like.
Delicious. Dance festive.
Okay, so Papa's gonna shake it out.
Dance festive.
It was fun.
It was horrible.
Bentley had dance fest with his school today.
Yeah, it was horrible. And
No, it wasn't horrible.
Yes, it was. I think the JK's was better.
You did a very good job.
Get stuck in your head. And when you guys left, there was the best, two of the best songs. Happier and Mode.
Cool. All right, let's see what the boys think.
Oh, I was just cleaned up the top.
Okay, take a drink and tell us what you think.
Is it open?
Yep.
It tastes exactly like the Gatorade.
Yeah, it's like Gatorade,
Yeah.
isn't it?
You try it.
All right.
Did you want to try the, I think it's hot chocolate or something, I'm not sure.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm. I got news for you though. I've tried many of them. Okay.
Okay. Or did you want to try the crackers and jam?
That one. Hot chocolate.
The hot chocolate? Crackers and jam? Okay, so
Jelly. It's called
jelly. So open the cracker.
Okay, what's that? Why is it so good? That's too much. Oh, these crackers are hard.
Yeah.
Hard like rocks.
So this is what the crackers
Why
look
do
like.
they
Show them what the
need
crackers
jelly?
look like. Mm-hmm.
Why do they have jelly for them? Oh, it's cracked.
That's all right.
That's,
Okay, so you have to open the jelly.
okay. Here, we'll put the
Show the
crackers in.
camera. Show the camera. So they know what you're doing.
It's
Yeah.
okay that they're cracked. That's okay. Okay. All right, let's open the jam. Okay. So,
I am a kid.
no, that's fine. What you do here is you just kind of tear a little corner off.
These crackers are too good.
Okay.
Okay, squirt some on the cracker.
Yeah. You just put a
Show
little
it the
bit on.
camera. You got your back to the camera.
Yeah. Oh, you want me to try it?
Yep.
That's good. Yummy.
See if it's good.
Mm-hmm.
It's yummy.
I eat these all the time.
So you get used to it.
All right, you're not showing the camera. Pretty good, huh? All right, are you going to try anything else on camera, or are we going to wait now for the hot meal?
I think the hot meal's ready.
All right, so we'll bring you back just as soon as they open up that hot meal.
Okay, welcome back. The beef ravioli is done, and Bentley is going to try it. It's going to be hot.
Hot but good.
Hot
Is
but
it-
good.
It's good, is it? You like it? Awesome.
Okay.
All right, and then he's got applesauce for dessert, right?
Yeah.
No. Chocolate pudding for dessert.
Oh, chocolate pudding. Okay, we'll bring you back when it's time for dessert.
Bye-bye.
Okay, we are back. Bentley's is trying, not going to, is trying the applesauce. How's it taste, Ben?
He's trying to get it open.
You need the scissors. Get it open. Very There you go. How's it taste?
Is it good?
You got a thumbs up. You
It's
like
all
it?
right.
So there you go. So that is the special edition cooking, which I really didn't have to cook anything other than drop a bag into boiling water. So you've seen the crackers, the jam, the applesauce, the drink.
Bentley doesn't like chocolate pudding, so that's why he
Yeah.
didn't try that.
So that is it for this week's Cooking with Kevin. Thanks for joining us. Next time you see me, it'll be back in Winnipeg because I am leaving this Saturday. Okay? Take care. See you next week.